Today we will import data from a CSV file in 5 ways using 5 different data analysis tools. We start with Excel. File, Open. So we have the airport passengers dataset in a CSV file. Now we have our dataset in Excel. We will organize it by formatting it as a table. Insert tab, Table. And here is our dataset properly organized for viewing. Our next tool is Power Query, a tool within Excel. We open Excel, then Data tab, from Text, CSV. We select Data as Headers. And here we can preview our dataset. With our View tab, we can check the column quality, column distribution, column profile. Subscribe now to Coding Keywords YouTube channel to get useful videos on data analysis and other things related to tech. Our next tool is MySQL. We are using SQLiteonline.com. We visit the site, import our dataset from our computer, and next we run the select query to preview our dataset. Select all from airport passengers. In Excel and Power Query, we always see our dataset, but in MySQL, we have to write the query code before we can see the dataset. And here we have it. Next, we have Python. We are using the online tool collab.google.com. We visit the site and import the dataset from the computer. In Python, a library is a collection of codes you can pick and use, just like tools from a toolbox. In a library, you can use the tools or functions to do a task or to create something like a container called an object. The object will have its own tools and properties. For our basic data collection task, we'll be using the Pandas library, and we will just call it PD. Import Pandas as PD. Pandas stores and organizes datasets in data frames which are like tables in Excel. We can use the tool read_CSV in PD to read the CSV file and create a data frame which we call DF. DF is an object with its own tools or methods and properties. So we use the tool head in DF to view the first 5 rows of our data. We use the tools info on DF to get a summary of the data types and non-null counts in our data columns. We use the property columns of DF to inspect the columns of our data frame. And finally, we use the property shape to inspect the number of rows and columns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe now. Finally, let's work with ChatGPT, the AI chat messenger. We open chatgpt.com, log in, and attach our file from the computer. Next, we can type this prompt. Open the attached dataset so I can view it here. And this is our dataset opened in ChatGPT. So we have looked at 5 different ways to import and view CSV files. Let us know in the comment section which tool you prefer, which has more features, which is the easiest, or which one you use the most. Are you wondering how you can use these tools for other tasks like correcting data types, removing duplicates, handling missing data, categorizing data? Then subscribe to Coding Keywords now. Don't forget to like this video. See you in the next video.